All right, this is part two to airing up the Kubota tires, and I've just completed the process. And so you can see I've got my compressor here with my air chuck, my crescent wrench. I have my air chuck. You see I have removed the ballast weights. This whole process takes about 20 minutes, and mainly because I have to wait for the compressor to recharge itself and refill itself a couple times. Other than that, if you had a bigger compressor, I'm sure this could be done in 15 minutes flat. But it's going to take me about half an hour per tire, all said and done. I just wanted to show you what it's supposed to end up looking like. So I've got my air pressure gauge here, and so I'm just going to put it on the nozzle there, and just by pushing it in, you're going to see the backside of this tip eject. And when this plunger ejects, it will let us know if we're at 20 pounds. So again, just to review, you can see the tire. It says max 10 miles per hour speed at 2,000 pounds load at 20 PSI. And so we're just gonna keep this at 20 PSI and see what happens here. So I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna give it a push, and you're gonna see that little white tip pop out. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and it popped out. And there we go, we can remove it. And let's see, and there you go. You can see it's at 20 pounds. Now, I mean, truthfully, I could overfill this a little bit. Let's try to get out of the sunlight. We lost our focus there. Come on, baby. There we go. You can see I could put maybe 22 pounds in here, just so that since I know this is a slow leak, I don't have to do this again. So that's what I'm going to do in this particular case. Just overfill it a couple pounds, and then we'll do the other side to duplicate this side. And that's a wrap. Shows you how to put the Kubota, or air up the Kubota tires. Finally, I'll just take these ballast weights here, slide those back on. You can see those threaded bolts, and it just one goes on in front of the other, and then you put the bolts back on, tighten it down, and really you're good to go. That's about it. Have any questions? Let me know.